So let's start the lesson, the second pair. So today we'll continue with some uh, functions of the surface element. So to create some blends, surface blends, styler blends, and so on. So in solid elements, we have seen how to create edge blend using the here. You see the stones. The moment, okay. In the we have seen the edge blend how to create the corners on the edge of the system. So in this case, now since we are now focusing our attention to the surface element, there is also some functions to create the blends on the surface element. Here, if you open the surface, and you see here the several options to create blend for the surface elements. It is the face blend, the aesthetic blend, satellite blend, and so on. If you open here, you will see the more the options. So it is the group of the blends for the surface elements. Here also we have the edge blend. This is included in this group. So we'll see for the beginning these options. So in order to do this, firstly let's draw that any just the surface that elements, let's share the surface elements. So go to this home, select the sketch, and for example you'll can select this plane, press OK, and select for example the profile, and for example I would like to draw the such kind of line and just extrude it. And if I extrude it, I will obtain this kind of element with a sheet metal. You can make it symmetric. So let's make it low. That's okay. So here now I would like to create some. Here you see the edge is in the right and an angle. So I would like to make some angle here. The edge blend for this kind of element. So in order to do this, go to the surface. Firstly, let's make it face blend. Select the face blend, and here we have, let's select the two faces. So in this case here, firstly on the filter, make it single face. So because I would like to select the single faces, firstly on this one and this face, so we can select this face. You see the arrow is in this direction, but we have to obtain it in this direction, reverse the direction, so it will becomes blue. So go to the second face, in this case select this one and reverse the direction. And here you see the several options. So cross section, and go to the, for example, rolled one. Here this one, so here select this one, and here select the automatic. So you will see here you will get the blend between these two faces. So it is the orientation is the rolled one for the beginning. Make it automatic, or you can make it constant. So let's make it automatic. So, and here you see the offset, the values is the constant is the 29. So if you make here the uh, here select the trim is the trim all, because you would like to trim this backward. So press preview. You see it is the single face blend is obtained with the constant value. Here you see with the constant value. You can create such a face blend with some variation of values. So in order to do this, let's go back here, and here you can select the constant is the constant value, or you can select here the symmetric. Here change this value, for example 50. let's make it 29 again. So you can make it a constant here. Just select for example the smaller value 25, so you will get this one. So you can it increase or decrease this value, so it is just a constant value. We will see now how to create the variational one. So in order to do this, here select the styled blend, on the here type select the low, and here select this face, and select this face, and here you see the style blend is created. Now in the shape control, here the shape control, and let's select this one, and here select, for example, if you select the linear, you will have different values. For example, for the starting and the ending is the 30 and 10. Let's make it 50, it will be bigger. And let's make it, for example, the 20. And here in the blend output over here, in the blend output, select the trim attach, and let's make it preview to see the result. So go to the preview and see result. You see variational blend is created using the styled blend. Here the blend diameter is I think we selected 50, and here and the end is the 20, this value. So we can make it different values. Here we can select as for example the cubic to see the result. You see it will become some with the cubic element, so you see it will become different shape. So go back here, and here you can make the multiple, here you can say non-reflecting. So for example, you can select here these values. You can change, for example, start value, make it 40, and preview it. So you can obtain the such a system also. So you can increase the number of the points by clicking here the multiple transition. In this case, here you see you have to specify the location. Let's specify the location, this point, this point. You see 2 points, this new point is created. You can change the values. You see it will be changed here. So in this case you can change this values or this any. Now we have the 4 points, 1, 2, 3 and 4 point. And if you go here uh, preview, you see you will obtain such a system with a variational swap, variational system with the blend. So here you can create another systems, for example with the S shape. In this case, you see you will start value 10 is this value here, and the slope angle, and the end value is 30 is this value. You can increase this end value by hand. So you can make, always be careful, it should be here, the trimming method should be this one. So and make it preview. You see you obtain such a system. This is the what is the here is the styled blend here. And let's see the another options. Also can create the blend with the aesthetic. It's almost the same with the styled blend. In this case, so you have to select the same first face, it is in this direction, and the second face, where's the direction, and here you have the cross section. Let's make it constant, and moment, let's make decrease the radius to 20. Now you see the key is created, and here you have also the center radius. This one, you see, you can make it bigger to see the result. Let's make it 10. Now let's make it trim to the all and make it preview, and here you have to do one more thing. Here you have to trim, activate the trim body, the blend, in order to trim this value here in the back side, so it is the trimmed. You can obtain such kind of system also, and you can make it cubic and change the value. You see here you can make it, for example, let's make it 60, and this value is let's keep it 20, and let's see the result. So such kind of system you can obtain. Now let's open the here to see the other results, the other systems. For example, you can make the blend corner. So in order to do this, I will just open the here this one. You can do such a system. So let me here delete these ones. So firstly, use this blend corner. Use the blend corner. Let's create the edge blends for the beginning of home. Here, the create the edge blend. Select this face, and this face. Make it bigger. Now I go to the surface. Here, select the blend corner. It means that there we have the intersection of the three blends in the corner. So if you would like to change the values of this intersection, you will use this blend corner. In this case, select this one face, and for example, you can select here, press the add new set, and select this one, and you see here new blend is created here. You can decrease or increase this value by the dragging this value. You see it is increased, and this one also drag. You see it is increased. If you make the preview, you see you will obtain such a system, that is the correlation between these two blends here. If you, for example, you see in the initial condition there is no any blend between these two edge blends, so you can create additional blends to passing through the one edge to one blend to the another blend, using here the this corner, blend corner. The same way, for example, select this one, add new set, select this one, add new set. You see in the top created, and add new set. Let's create by 3, and you can here change the value here, and this one also, and this one. You see here in the top, and here is the new blend is the created. So, and now press OK. This is the how is the system. The function is the operator with the blend corner, this one. So this is the our system. Next is the styled corner. So in the styled corner, so it is the user you can change the corner here. For example, if you delete this one, so, and let's delete this one also, and let's make it show here this one and this one. So I would like to create the edge blend again here. Let's make it smaller, here um, let's again this one, this one, and this one, and here we have the corner. And if you would like to change the corner, you have to use this kind of function. It's called styled corner. So in this case we have to select these three here. Select the first input blend, second input blend, this one, and third one. And you have to select here the base phase. In this case it is this one. So you see here it is the obtained we obtained this kind of system, the points. In order to change the values, you see values of this corner, you can drag this point in order to make some changes, you see, and press OK. So the corner, you can change the values of this kind of corner, so in order to obtain the system. Next is this we have seen this one, and the next is the bridge. In the bridge, so we will create the, for example, if you have the two surface elements, let's create the two surface elements. Okay, just go home, select the sketch, select the arc here, any arc, and extrude it to create the surface element. So press OK. Now let me just create another datum plane for the beginning.